Okie dokie, this is because people were commenting about wind-up radios. This is a power pack. It's a wind-up. The hand crank does work. I've used it. The solar panel does work. If you can see in this light, you see that red light? That indicates it's being powered by the sun. And that does actually work. It works as an emergency radio and as a normal radio. And yeah, I use it every week. You've got your connections on the end, so you can charge it up from a USB-C. You can also use it as a power pack to charge up your rechargeable devices. And of course, you've got your very bright LEDs. And yeah, it works. I think it was, not exactly, between 10 and 15 pounds. So yeah, this one does work. AliExpress.